Hello everyone, this is Daily Developing here, and today we're going to be going over a problem that was asked by Amazon. So let's get right in. So we need to write a function that takes a natural number as an input and returns the number of digit the input has. But we have a constraint. We cannot use loops. So for example, if we write, let's say, n equals 9087, we need to write a function that would return 4 without using for or while loops or do while. So go ahead and pause this video and try to solve it yourself, and then go back if you want to check your answers. All right, so let's start solving this problem. Let's take a number n. All right, there has to be an x out there such that 10 in power of x would be less than or equal to n, and n will also be less than 10 in power of x plus 1. 9087, right? This is less than or equal to 10 in power of 3. And this is less than 10 in power of 4. This is less than 10,000, but more than or equal to 1,000. And this is what we have to find. All right, so now we need to find an x. So what we can do is let's split these two inequalities and then take a logs of both sides. What we'll get is x is less than or equal to log of 10 of n, and log base 10 of n is less than x plus 1. Now we can just combine those two equations and we get x is less than or equal to log base 10 of n is less than x plus 1. So this is what we have to find. Now let's quickly write a function, number of digits. Okay, so let's say x equals, first thing what we have to do is we have to import math. And now say math.log. We have to give it n and also base 10 because by default this is base e, right? So yeah, this log function on default is just base e. So for that reason we have to specify that it's base 10. And now let's see if we return x, print number of digits for 9087, it'll return something in between 3 and 4. So let's see, we run this. All right, so you return something in between 3 and 4. So what we can do here is let's turn it into an integer. Okay, we don't want a decimal. And by the way, what this will do is this will always round down. So pretty much when you turn a decimal into an integer, it just gets rid of this comma and everything that comes after it. So if we run it again, all right, it returned 3. Now, the thing about x is x will always be 1 less. X will always return a value that is 1 less than the number of digits we have, right? So 9,000 has 4 digits, but x returned 3. If we were to give it a 5 digit, it would return 4, and so on. So what we have to do is we have to return x plus 1. And now if we run it, this would return 6, just as many number as we have. Run this again, 4, 3. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please put thumbs up and subscribe. This will help me a lot, and see you next time.